Hey guys, so it's Lily. Somebody asked me about the song that I wrote called I Hate Everything, and I'm gonna sing it for you. It's a really good song, really short, sweet, and to the point, and it's simplistic, but it deserves a Grammy. Okay, so here it goes. I hate everything, everything is stupid, and you can sing that whenever. When you get up in the morning, your parents are waking you up, time to go to school. I hate everything, everything is stupid. When your parents are like, go take your medicine. I hate everything, everything is stupid. Your sister tells you to shut up. I hate everything, everything is stupid. When you're bored, I hate everything, everything is stupid. Me right now, I hate everything, everything is stupid. Yeah. I hope you all sing that now. This should be a new trend, like, when you're mad, just do it. I dare you. I'm daring you right now. I dare you. So yeah, that's my song. No hate. YOLO. The Kobe system chose me.